Hi guys, welcome back to part 3. So guys, in this part we're going to do some shading. Okay, you guys can see I made it a folder and add some images. You can add any image you want. I'm using this one. Okay, I'll connect it with base color as you guys can see. Okay, I added this with the base color. Okay, and here I'll press new, and the same case is here. I'll add another image. Don't use the same images, it can cause something else. That if you use like same images, they both will do same painting on the same. Like if you have two objects with same pictures, the left thing will show the same pictures, and then you will, if you will start shading, so they will both start shading. So as you guys know, I'm now shading them, as you guys can see. Okay, here we are shading them. Okay, we'll make it a bit up, as you guys can see, and here I'm painting it brownish color, because if I make it metallic color, mm, it would be like shining glossy like silver, not bronze, sorry, not silver, bronze. So it would be look like bronze. So here, okay, I've done this. Okay, here we are. Okay, it's a bit down, don't ignore it. Okay, here we are, and now we'll go to shading again, and I'll select this one, and I'll also tap paint on this. You can see these blocks, small square blocks, and I'm going to paint it this one to, I think I should change the color to red one, would be nice color. Okay, in next one we'll change the color, not in this one. Here you guys can see these small blocks. Okay, here I'll select the red color. Okay, here we are. Okay, and here I'll made it a bit dark. Okay guys, here we are. Okay, you guys can see it's half red and half brown. Okay, you can do color from here as well, as you guys can see. Okay, I'll do it, the painting from here. Make sure you add texture. If you won't add texture, you won't be able to paint them. Okay, here I did this, as you guys can see. Now it's look good. Okay, now I go to shading, and I think it should be more metallic. Okay, here we are. I did the highest. Okay, I'll just go on now this one, and I'll do the full metallic. Okay, we are on the object mode, animations. I'll change it to developer mode, the view to developer mode. You guys can see now all the balls are shining except that one. Okay, as you guys can see. Okay, I'll make roughness to, I think, 0.3%. It might be good. Yep, 0.3%, 0.3, whatever, it's good. Okay, I think my screen is a little bit blur, smoky, I think, because of my texture paints, but it will get fine. Okay, I'll make it metallic, and here the roughness a bit more. You can see it's like blurry. Okay, it is because of I'm on texture paint mode. Okay, oh, I can, when I click it stops. Okay, here now I'm going to shading, and oh wait, I think I shaded that colorful ball, so I'll control Z. Here we go. Okay, and here I'll go to object mode. Yeah guys, now you can see, now they all are shining. Okay, and I will press add again, and I'll this wood flooring polish. Okay, here I'll add to base color. Okay, now I think metallic would be not good for this. I'll make it to 5. Okay, I'll make it to 0.305% roughness to 0. 2, 0.2. Let's see. Okay, yep, now it's looking good. Yep, now it's good. Okay, I'll go again to anime shading. I'll go to shade. Wait, let me see. Okay, here we are at the shading mode. Okay, here we are. I'll do the roughness to 0%. Oh wait, Control Z. Here we are. I'll change the mode to from texture mode to object mode. Here we are. You guys can see now it's shiny, but I think I have to go to developer mode. Because I think I'm missing it. But forget it. Here we are. Okay, I'll make roughness to 0%. Okay, of the you can see of the ring. I'm changing the roughness of the ring. Okay. I think transmission would be a bit 100%. Let's see the 100% transmission. Okay, I'll again change to object mode, and here I'll go to developer mode. Okay, the floor is too much shiny. We don't need this shine. We need a bit less shine. So, and we'll go back to shading. Okay, here we'll make the roughness a bit more than it was last time. Okay, control. Okay, here we are. Control Z. Okay, now it's back. I'll make roughness on. And now I'm changing the ring, and here we are. Okay, guys. Now it's look good. As you guys can see, now it's perfectly fine. Okay, and the animations are also perfect, as you guys can see. And make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Never miss an update. Okay, I'll make it zoom. Okay, bye. Take care for the next part.